Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Today you will see me painting a majestic bird. Yes, a peacock. With its massive tail and bright colored feathers, this bird has long fascinated its human observers. And only the male birds of this species are known as peacocks. They are not born with their fancy tail feathers. They start showing up until they reach the age of 3. So you might have understand that why I am so fascinated to paint this bird. Yes, because its bright colored feathers. It is so attractive. And luckily, you know what? They don't have to be killed for their feathers. The peacocks shed their train every year after the mating season. And those so called feathers can be gathered and sold without the birds coming into any harm. So, I will do this painting with Camlin Artist Watercolor on my Artist Pro sketchpad, whose paper is of 110 GSM. For its neck and head area, I will be using Prussian blue, and the back side of the head, I will be using little amount of Viridian hue. I will leave the tail portion a little loose, runny, and watery, and you will see that I'll add a little bit of patchy work in the tail area. And you know what makes the peacock's feathers so brilliant? Because there is a presence of a microscopic crystal-like structures that reflect different wavelengths of light depending on how they are spread. So let me talk about this painting. We as an artist, we search for our painting references or painting inspiration from the internet, because it is not possible for me to go and find a peacock and click its picture and make my own painting. So here lies the fact. Either I can click my own picture or I should get a reference picture. And sometimes it happens to be like, if I am inspired from an artist's painting or an artist's photography, I try to mention their name or tag them in my painting just to show my courtesy towards them. And I think as an artist, if someone is getting his or her inspiration from my painting, it would be my greatest achievement. I will be very honored. There are quite a few budding artists out there who has tried my painting and tagged me in their post, and I was so happy looking at their painting. I mean, this gives me the utmost happiness. And if I am inspired from any artist to make an art and I tag their name on my painting, doesn't mean that I am stealing their work. It means that I found my inspiration within you. It means that you are the reason for which I learned something. That's a way of showing gratitude. And today I will show my gratitude to that artist I was inspired from for making this painting. But unfortunately, there are a few artists in our society who doesn't appreciate this at all. Even they will come up to you and say that you have stolen their art. I mean, how can someone steal others' art? It is something I created with my hard work, spending my time onto my canvas. So, here lies the difference about stealing, copying, and an inspired art. Like, human beings are not a copier machine. Even if they are putting each and every details onto their painting, they are not copying their art, they are just using a reference image. Means they are using an artist's work as their reference image. Stealing an artwork is if any artist by any chance copying any other artist's work and not giving credits to the artist, and instead of that he or she is claiming that he is the creator of this art. So you should all be aware of these circumstances before making an art from a reference image, because it is not possible every time to paint the thing you like from your own picture, from your own photography. Because like today, if I want to paint a shark or if I want to paint a tiger, it's totally not possible for me to go out there in the jungle or dive into the deep ocean and take my photography. I only have to use a reference picture from the internet. But here lies something. You should only use a reference picture which are royalty free, which are available royalty free, like some royalty free websites are there, like Pexels or Pixabay, and and even if you are taking image from Google or Pinterest, below of each painting or photography there lies the name of each and every artist. You should tag them or give them credits, because he or she is the creator of that visualization you got inspired. So as an artist we should support each and every artist out there. And this is why I make my videos. Whatever is going inside of my mind, I am sharing that experience with you all so that I can stay connected with you while I do my painting or while I show you this painting video. So guys, this painting is almost done. I hope you enjoyed this painting video, and please let me know in the comment section below how much you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more painting video updates. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep creating art. Bye bye.